A very happy Independence Day to everyone. Bal Gangadhar Tilak said, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. India today is celebrating its 75th Independence Day across the country amid the coronavirus pandemic. Today, we celebrate our Independence Day with a prayer led by Sania, our head girl. Her prayer will be followed by a prayer song sang by Miss Nazrin.
Let us all join our hands for the prayer. Dear God, on this day, as we celebrate our nation's birth, we place our faith in you. We thank you for the blessings of life, liberty, and happiness, and for all those who have bravely sacrificed their lives and lit the torch of freedom for the nation. Help our country turn towards you. Give our leaders clear vision, integrity, and wisdom to lead our nation in the best direction. Grant that we and all people of this land may have peace and unite us all as brothers and sisters. Amen.
Pray for India, pray for India, pray for India. तेरा इंडिया मेरा इंडिया अपना इंडिया सारी दुनिया से है निराला इंडिया सबकी निगाह को उजाला इंडिया इसको लगी किसी घर की नजर चमके जहां में प्यारे प्यारे इंडिया प्रे फॉर इंडिया मेरा इंडिया Pray for India, pray for India, pray for India. तेरा इंडिया मेरा इंडिया अपना इंडिया यारो अपना तो बस एक ही है खुदा मिल के रहेंगे हम होंगे ना जुदा बहकी गए हम कोई ना कोई शैतान आओ मांगे मिलके खुदा से ये दुआ प्रे फॉर इंडिया मेरा इंडिया I love India, you love India, we love India. I love India, you love India, we love India.
Now we shall have a short introduction by a student, Hina from class 10.
Honorable Principal Sister Sabina, Vice Principal Sister Sally, Sister Suhasini, respected teachers and my dear friends. It is an honor for me to welcome you all to the celebration of 75th years of Independence Day. So this year, due to the ongoing pandemic, Independence Day will be celebrated online in our school. So without any further delay, let's start our program. Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind!
Now we will have our auspicious flag waving ceremony of a tribute to our motherland. May all living beings live in harmony with nature and with all forms of life. Here now I would like to call our respected principal, Sister Savina, to hoist the flag. Now our children are here to pay the tribute to our motherland with a patriotic song.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा।
हिंद देश के निवासी सभी जन एक हैं, रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक हैं। बेला गुलाब जूही चंपा चमेली लिया है याद रे ए वतन तेरे लिए।
ऐ वतन वतन में आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन।
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके, मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Today, our heart is full of patriotism. And to express our feelings in few words, Dhanraj, our head boy of St. James Public School, is here.
Honorable Principal, Sister Savina, Vice Principal, Sister Celine, our superior, Sister Suhasini, teachers, and all my dear friends. So first of all, I would like to wish you all a happy Independence Day. So it is an honor for me to present a short speech on Independence Day with you all. So today is a day of great importance to all Indians. So on this day, 15th August 1947, we, the Indians, got independence from Britishers. The freedom that we are enjoying today is the result of decades long struggle made by our great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Lokmanya Tilak, and many more who have devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. And as we are here to pay tributes to all of them, the entire nation celebrates this day with spirit of patriotism. We are an independent, progressive, and powerful country of the world today, and India is the largest democracy of the world. And our country have made progress in science, astronomy, agriculture, architecture, medicine, and arts. Yet we still have to fight against unemployment, poverty, illiteracy, and overpopulation. So dear friends, in unity lies strength. So let us all unite and make India a strong nation and powerful. Our freedom is priceless. So let us all pledge today to take this nation forward to the pinnacles of glory and success. Thank you and Jai Hind.